Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how we can detoxify our computer system, or in short words, how we can increase the available space for our C drive. So the first thing that you have to do, there are like multiple things which you can do. So the first thing is just press Window plus R, and you have to type here percentage temp percentage and just click on this. So you will see like multiple files here. So I haven't cleaned this space since last 1 month, I believe. So I have right now 3733 items available. So I will just click on that and delete it. It will take some time because these files are a lot of files. Let's just wait. So there is no problem, you can just delete all the files here. So there are some files which will be left in your system because you might be using the program. The program might be open in some other location of the computer. Now the next thing which you have to do is just go to this PC. So this is the I hope you all can see. So right now I have to go here to my C drive, then to this Windows, and then I need to go to this folder, which is software distribution. You have to search, this will be available in your Windows, and then inside this download files. So these files are not very much important, and these are just gets temporarily created. So all you can do right now, as I can see that I have around 500 plus MB of data, so definitely this is not going to be of use for me. So I'm just simply going to delete this. Continue. You need administration permission to delete this file. Now let us go back again here and see. This time still just 1.1 GB of data I got. Now what you have to do, just right click on your C drive and go to the properties. Inside this properties option, you will see this disk cleaner. So disk cleaner, right now I have 88.4 GB of space, and so I need to do this disk cleanup. Let us see what happens when I go and do this disk cleanup. Just check all these files, like all these files you have to check, and just click on OK. So it will ask the permission, do you permanently want to delete these files? Oh yes, I want to delete this file. This is going to take some time, just wait for the time. Now after doing the disk cleanup process, I have this much of 92.4 GB of space available to me. So probably I have gained somewhere around 4 to 5 GB of space. One more thing there is, what you can do, you can just go to this temp file. Earlier we have deleted the files from percentage temp percentage. Now we are going to delete the file from temp location. So just click on this. Again, these files are also not of much use, so we can click on like select all and we can delete this. So you need, if you get this kind of message, just do this and be it like skip. Okay, go and do the last step to clean up, and this is going to be the major hit when you are trying to clean your system. Just right click on this and go to the properties section. Here you will see the system protection option. Just click on this and select this on. So this under system protection, this pop-up will come up whatever you say this. So you have to check this C system drive and go to the configuration. So right now you can see that there is something called restore points. If you want to keep it, right, you can definitely keep it. Otherwise, you can delete this. This is simply means, let me show you what this actually means. What are these restore points in computer? Restore points in Windows 10. These are basically the images which gets created if you want to restore your system to the previous version of your computer, like so. So what is this restore point? Let me see, let me show you. What, let me type here, what is Restore. What are restore? So restore point is a state of the computer that serves as a milestone to which you can revert the operating system setting in case they become corrupted or the OS fails to perform as expected. Right now my system is running very smoothly. I do not want to restore the previous image of my computer system, my OS. So I do not need this. So what I will do, I will simply delete all these files. So current usage, that means this much of image, this much of space is being utilized by these restore points. So I will just click on this delete option, and this box will come up. Just click on this continue and close. So it's very much easy, and then just click on OK, OK. And now let us go back to our this PC. So if you will go and you will check, so you have currently 106 GB of free space in your computer. So let us see, let me check whether I have something more to delete. So I have these many files in my recycle bin again. So let me control A and then delete this. This file got created because I performed temp deletion after the disk cleanup. So just click on continue. And yeah, so all the files are now deleted. Let us go back again. Oops, so many the species are working. And if I check this, see, so from 88 GB of free space to 106 GB of free space, this much of space just got available by deleting few of the files which were of no use from your system. So this way you can just perform the deletion and deletion of files to get some more space in your C drive. Thank you.